Okay, man, get out of the truck. So this is the war campus. Well, hey, soldier, are you new to this country? Not the country, the military. What the hell, you stupid? Who the hell's even talking to me? I am stupid. And you? Huh. Sorry, taller than you. Hey, what the hell is that? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Okay, let's fill up the truck. Make sure you get everything of these Americans. Sir, where's the lake? Oh, I can take care of him. Oh. We're at our destination. Good thing we took the military stuff with us. Even the gas. Should get a trash your ass. The Russians are your new military. Bring them to the thing. So forget everything about those Americans. Now, wait! Take them into the car. Okay, never fighting in a war. Make sure you're good. Used to us Russians. Yes, there's some Americans back in the front. Let's go. Hey, what the hell? Oh, yes, I got them down, sir. What else do you want me to do? Get into their tower. Fire at their planes. Oh, shit. Oh, the Navy's coming with everything they got. Now suit up. We're going downstairs. Does it always have to be dark in these kind of places? Yes. It's a whole part of war, stupid. Now get into the brain. Now get into the army. We got them ass. We got those asses. They don't even know it's us. Yeah. We're back to our military base. We stole their turret and their planes. We have everything that's theirs now. Okay. Tell that the weird ass he has to watch out for any Americans. We're going to war tomorrow, so you better watch out for those asses. One day later. Oh shit! Oh. Kill him! Kill him now! Oh shit! Shoot him! Freaking assholes. Good job. What the hell? Don't worry, we got our helicopter ready. Oh shit! In the shoulder. Ah. Sneak it. Let's get them to the hospital. No. You're okay, soldier. Good news, we won the war. Yes, the Americans can never win against us. We win.